So we are honored here at the Air Zoo to be able to restore some really significant aircraft back to their former glory. Behind me is an F-117 stealth fighter. The Air Zoo is the first non-government museum to display one. We have the honor of restoring this one, tail number 817, nicknamed Shaba. And we're excited about this because this one is going to stay here at the Air Zoo. So when we are finished, and we're rebuilding right now the leading edges, and we have to reapply the paint and all of that, but we're thinking in November when we're done, it's going to go to our main exhibit floor for people to come from all around the world to check out this cool airplane. Also, we specialize in Lake Michigan restorations. We have 2 aircraft right now that have been on the bottom of Lake Michigan for at least 65 years each. One of them that we're really excited about completing by the end of the year is an SBD-2P Douglas Dauntless dive bomber. It served at Pearl Harbor during World War II and fought in the Battle of the Coral Sea. And when we're finished with it, and we're hoping it's going to be early November, it's going to go back home to Pearl Harbor, to the Pearl Harbor Aviation Museum. And we want to get it there in time for a dedication on December 7th of 2021, which is the 80th anniversary of the attack on Pearl Harbor. So we are just honored to be able to restore these aircraft for the Air Force and also for the Navy, because we recognize that these aircraft are going to educate and inspire hundreds of thousands of people every year when we're finished with them. So what a great honor it is for the Air Zoo to be able to impact our community and our world through restoration.